I know. It wasn't my idea.
What have they done to my son?
Survive was what you taught me.
Where is he?
Get out. I'm not machine. Not man. I'm more.
I can't believe it.
Whatever they did to John, we need to reverse it.
Everything's changed. We are humanity's last hope. Load up.
I've been waiting for you.
You gotta get him off me!
I'll be back.
What?